I'm going to show you my oven. This is our improvised oven. Let's proceed to place our cake to be in there. That is our baking tin placed inside our oven, but I can already smell the nice aroma. Wow,
beautiful.
Wow, amazing. Nawaambianga mautamu kwa Mama Jaden's Kitchenette. Now you know. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle. Coming live from western part of Kenya. So this time round I decided I'm going to celebrate Christmas from my mother's home. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that every other time we are uploading a new video, you are updated on the same. Please remember to like, share and comment as well. So welcome to the video. So onto our sugar, we are adding margarine. Now allowed to a measurement, this is shags, so I don't have measuring jars. It is just to give you the concept. So let's continue. Guys, you are going to mix this until it becomes fluffy. This method is called creaming. We are making a cake using the creaming method. So just observe. So guys, as I had mentioned earlier, you need your mixture to be fluffy. As you can all see, mine is well mixed. It's that fluffy, you can hardly feel the crystals of sugar, so meaning it is fluffy. So onto that mixture we are going to add baking flour. This is self-raised. I've tried to improvise the measuring jar. This is a 500 gram container, so we shall use about 2 of these. Okay. We are learning together because Mama is in the kitchen. There is no Christmas in this house without this cake. It has been our tradition. During Christmas we bake this cake, so we had to reminisce as we've always done it. It's about reminiscing. So next thing, I'm going to beat my eggs, and by there you do not just beat your eggs from one container. This is what you do to ensure you minimize on wastage, not even minimizing, 0% wastage. So one by one, in case you find one is gone bad, you can save the situation. So when I tell you this cooking thing came from my roots, that is what I mean. This is my mom in the kitchen. And we are going to bake this cake without an oven. We are going to improvise. So you beat your eggs thoroughly. Add it to a bowl. So our eggs are well mixed. Next thing, you make a well in your flour. 2 tinners in the kitchen. So you make a well in your flour. add your eggs. Stir. So guys, this is important. You mix this slowly by slowly. Ensure you maintain the clockwise direction. Usiende hivi ama hivi, no. You just maintain the clockwise direction until it is properly mixed. Your story ya clockwise, it is very important because you need a perfect dough for your cake. So your mambo ya clockwise, I'm being told it is very important. Na venye me maintain yake slowly by slowly, it needs patience. So we are beginning to add our milk. That is 500 grams of warm milk, right, Mama? So guys, as you can see, our dough is super fine, as you can all see. Very fine. That is how it should be. This is just a plain cake. No oven, no madoido. Any person can try out this. So our dough is super. No lumps. It should be this fine. So after achieving that, next thing, this is our baking tin, our improvised baking tin. We are going to grease our baking tin with margarine.
We are creaming.
So we are creaming our baking tin with a bit of margarine. To our dough, we add a tablespoonful of cooking oil. Then on to our baking tin, we also add a tablespoonful of cooking oil. So carefully pour your dough onto your baking tin. Your dough should be 2/3 of your baking container. So choose your baking tin carefully based on the size of your oven, because ours is improvised. I'll be showing you in a bit, in a few. Keki in the village bila oven. Yes. And so guys, this is what we are going to place in our improvised oven for 45 minutes. So guys, as I told you, I'm going to show you my oven. This is our improvised oven. You just take a normal sufuria. On it you place sand, the usual sand that is used for construction, but it should be dry sand yenye haina maji kabisa. So I've been preheating this for the last about 30 minutes. The sand is extremely hot, and so let's proceed to place our cake to be in there. So that is our baking tin placed inside our oven. Then we cover it. So you should ensure the sufuria fits on the one that is covering. Now, after covering, we are going to add hot ashes on top of the sufuria that is covering the oven. It is the hot.
We shall keep adding.
We shall keep adding as we proceed. So from this moment we are counting our 45 minutes. So you can see it is just a truly improvised oven. I think even the oven copied this technique from this method, because from the bottom fire is there's a heat, and then on top you also need heat. Most ovens, that is how they are meant. Bottom na pale juu kuna kuanga na ka nini ka kuweka heat. So that is what we are trying to achieve. So stay tuned, guys. 45 minutes later, after adding again and again, let's check on our cake and see how it looks like. But I can already smell the nice aroma. Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow, amazing. Mautamu. Nawaambianga mautamu kwa Mama Jaden's Kitchenette. Now you know how to bake a cake without an oven. Let's leave it to cool. Tuitoe kwa hii baking tin yetu and see how it looks like, but the results are already giving. See you when it has already cooled down. Guys, this is the final product of our our cake baked from an improvised baking tin, improvised oven. And guys, it's giving. The aroma is killing. The appearance, it is just yani, I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know. Yani, it is golden brown. I normally tell you guys about golden brown. This is golden brown, yani ya ukweli kabisa. Hakuna mahali imeungua. We are going to cut these. We are going to enjoy together as a family. As you all see, everyone is looking forward to enjoying this delicacy. I wish every family member could be here to share this. So, from Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle, right from Vihiga County, we say Happy New Year 2024! Wow! Ninachoma. Toto. So by the way, hope you get to capture the moisture. Hizi story za jaba wase, hii ni kitu tumepika from an improvised oven. Hope you can see your moisture inatoka. So night naonja hii ingine kesho. So, from Mama Jaden's kitchenette and lifestyle, we say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, I'm getting into 2024 right from my father's compound. So you fireworks are about to go down. It is 23, 50. It is showing over there. It's 23, 50.
59.
Almost.
We've done the greatest magic, God.
Ikifika hivi useme.
Shafika Shafika. Go. Oya manze. Mwisho.
Happy New Year 2024. Here we come.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.